Okay, so in this video and the next couple of videos, we will learn about the responsive web design. So I am inside of the MDN and let's see what it says. So responsive web design is a web design approach to make web pages render well on all screen sizes and resolutions while ensuring good usability. So previously we had only computers, right? Which can interact with the internet, something like a desktop computer, which had wide screens and it can only interact with the internet. But with the new devices, something like the tablets and the smartphones, which also can interact with the internet, it is very, very important that the websites which we build are displayed properly inside of those devices as well. So basically, what we have to do, we have to create different layouts for different screen sizes. Okay. For example, if we go to the GitHub website, and I will just open the DevTools, okay, and I'll just close out that. I'll zoom out a little bit. Now, as you can see, this is one of the best examples of a responsive website. As you can see, when I am decreasing the width or I am changing the width, basically, as you can see, the layout shifts. So if I just go here, first thing changes here, the search bar which we had is now one icon. Then if I just change a little bit more, then the navigation bar collapses and we have a hamburger menu. Okay. And here we have the logo currently in the middle. And we have all of the things here as well. So if I just shrink down the size a little bit more. Okay. So here it is kind of representative of a mobile phone. Okay. Now, as you can see, many of the things have changed. We had previously two column or multi-column layouts, but currently right now, all of the content is in one single column. Okay. As you can see. So if I just do something like this, okay, as you can see, the layout changes here. Okay. So there we go. So if I just go ahead, and this website is quite responsive and it is like fully responsive, to be honest. So yeah. So we have to do something similar to what GitHub website is doing so that in each of the devices, our website looks good. Okay. So if I just go ahead and inside of this particular tab here, as you can see, we have the dimensions of responsive. And here, if I just go ahead and we have all of these, right? We have something like iPhone 12 Pro. So if I do that, so this will set the dimension to the iPhone 12 Pro's dimension basically. So as you can see, this sign up form is now one single form basically. Previously, it was a search input and a button. It is still there, but the layout has changed. Okay. And we have this navigation bar and so on and so forth. Then we can do something like Surface Pro 7. If I do that, so this will happen and this will change to the dimension of the Surface Pro 7. Then we can do something like Pixel 7 and so on. So you get the idea. So whenever we want to test our websites inside of the mobile view, we can use this Chrome developer tool section. Okay. All right. So I hope you get the idea like what we are doing. Here we have to make sure that our websites, which we are building currently right now, they can look good in each and every device so that user has a great user experience.